Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up the face key editor to do proper head rotations. Okay, let me show you something I faced when I was animating the episode of Success Sucks. If I select the character Walt Disney and I press Ctrl K, will bring the face key editor. Let me use blue, face key editor. Okay, you can also get it by clicking in here, face key editor, Ctrl K. Okay, now let me show you how easy you can do head rotation in CrazyTalk Animator. I have my character all set up, and with the face key editor interface, I can just click on anywhere that is not on one of the controls. I can activate the mouth, for example, or the eyes, right? And instead of clicking on any of those controls, I'm just going to click on an empty space and click and drag, you see? And my character is rotating the head, right? Now, right now I have this active, this controller right here. The setting is on. If I want to be able to rotate sideways, I can also activate that one. Let me activate it. And I can just click and drag, you see? Now I can control the face rotating also on that axis, okay? Now, let me show you something that can happen. Usually, you have some controllers here, like this, when you are moving the character, right? So I just want to point something out that is really, really important. Sometimes you can have the eyelids active, those controllers right here, you see? Those here. Let me use white. This right here is activated. Let me show you. Right now is deactivated, you see? Is gray. And if I click on it, it turns a little bit orange, and that means is active. If it's active and I try to rotate the head down, the eyes disappear. You see? They disappear and then they reappear. If you don't want this to happen, then you have to deactivate them. Okay? Now let me show you why this happens. This is why. Let me select this character, press Ctrl K, and now I can rotate with the highlights deactivated, and everything rotates perfectly, right? Let me zoom in. Everything is rotating perfectly. But if I have the eyelids active and I rotate, look what happens. The character closes her eyes. You see? And so that is what's happening right here. Let me close this. This is what's happening right here with this character. So what actually happened is that Walt Disney, the character Walt Disney I have here, has his eyes closed, but I don't have a sprite for the eyes closed. So with it selected, I can press Ctrl K. Okay, I'm gonna deactivate this rotation, and I can just click and drag up in here in the eyelids. That way I can open the eyes again and then deactivate the eyelids and then just do the rotation correctly. You see? I'm giving you this quick little tip just to save you some headaches, because when I was animating, I was like, oh my god, what's happening? The eyes! So all you have to do is relax. Well, actually, if you have them closed, just have the eyelids active and then click and drag up to open the eyes, and then deactivate the eyelids, and then you can rotate perfectly with no problems. Okay? Very good. So that's how you set up the controls of the face key editor for proper head rotation. Let's move on to the next lesson, in which we will learn how to do quick facial animation, learning how to express different emotions in your character's face and animate it super quick. See you in the next lesson.